And so my PA came and reached out to me. I said, there's a woman here. She said she's so and so person. Shall let me tell you. And he said, he's a wife of a certain president. A Muslim African, president. And just like that. And so by the time the woman walked into the office, we sat down and we're talking. And she said, of course, she has other wives away from her that were married. And then she said, something is going on. I said, what is it? And by the way, I told her I was going to share this testimony. I called her, I said, I want to talk about your story. Is it okay? He said, go ahead. So I'm telling you what I have to go ahead to share. And she said, one of the wives, I'm not telling you a former president, a sitting president, one of the wives came back home with python. I'm not even joking. Came back home with python. And as it is now, there is python occupying a flat. He said, as soon as this woman returned with python, he said, my husband does not hear anything. He said, cleaners have been made ministers. Like people of God, his brain, this is me talking, she didn't say that. I'm sure his brain was exchanged with the brain of a python. This woman told me from one bizarre tale to another, and she was crying. I'm looking, I'm shaking my head. I say, what is going on? People of God, let me tell you. Let me make a detour. I'll return back to this story. The question is, how many more industry captains, how many more presidents of nations, their own might not be python, that might just be a monkey that is somewhere. You are complaining. Will sit back and say, this is not working, this is not working. Is there a possibility that behind what is not working, I said, Shebi, this is python. I say, is it python? He say, yeah. I say, is it python? Say, is it python? She has said she has been relegated. She doesn't matter. Whether she was even discarded. Even at some point, let me tell you how bad it was. At some point, I was driving home by PA one day. I told her, I said, are you sure that woman is really with? Now I said, Google it. Google. Let's Google to be sure whether she's really president, because she know well. You see a woman that is not well, and I'm asking myself, what is going on? I said, okay. Thank God there's nothing else that she came back with, only python. I know how to deal with them. It is my ministry. Apostle Paul was gathering sticks and was trying to put it into the fire. All of a sudden, a viper came out from somewhere and called around his hand. And he didn't go to ask the viper, who sent you? Where are you coming from? What is your mission? The Bible said he shook off the viper into the fire. I know I'm still starting, but somebody help me shout fire. Let me hear you thunder fire. I held her hands because all she was saying, let the python leave. I say, python, don't give me prayer point. I know how to deal with such things. And right there and then, I began to pray. This python will die, and whatever that is going on, she went back home. She went back home 2 days after. Now so python died. And the husband came and met her and said, where have I been? I'm not sure you understand the seriousness of what I'm saying. A sitting president asking, where have I been? So what has been going on all this while? And she said, Pastor, please speak with him. Muslims, and she's now Christian. But he said, this is the man that prayed. This is the man that prayed. And I say, how are you? He said, I'm fine. You pray for me? Thank you. If I give more detail, you people will get the clues. But the sweeping changes that followed after will let you know that somebody has been somewhere. People of God, this kingdom matter is not a joke. This kingdom matter, is the Lord taking over. For the kingdoms of this world have become the kingdom of our dear God. In that office, in that place, lift up your two hands. Let me hear you thunder. Thy kingdom come. Let me hear you screaming. Thy kingdom come. Thunder it again. Thy kingdom come. If you believe it, thunder a louder amen.